Myanmar, we have the friends, Mingalaba. The Philippines, Magandang Araw. And of course, Thailand, Sawadika, our good neighbor. Vietnam, Xin Chào. And of course, all our guests from Malaysia, Selamat Datang, Selamat Petang. Of course, our members of the local media, a very good evening and welcome to join us right here at the launching ceremony of this ASEAN traditional headwear exhibition, a showcase that we celebrate the rich diversity and the cultural heritage of ASEAN. My name is JC from Radio Television Malaysia, RTM. It's my honor to be here today. It's an honor to have everyone right here for the exhibition because here in KL Central, we offers everyone a unique opportunity to explore the intricate and visually stunning traditional headwear from across the ASEAN region.